everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you a reveal of the new Cocoa Vanilla Studio Sunkissed collection that I just got in the mail. I am super excited to share all these things with you. There are some new items in this collection, quite a few actually, that I haven't seen before. So I'm really excited about those. Let's just dive straight in. I'll try not to take too long oohing and ahhing over all these things, but you guys know what I'm like. So we have the pocket cards here. These are 3x4 pocket cards. There's 18. They are double-sided. But there are no double ups in this batch like there were with the Merry and Bright collection. So we have this one. Look on the bright side. Lots of bright, fun, happy colors. I'm really loving the icons and the colors in this. In these cards. I missed that one, sorry. There we go. Clouds and suns. I love that bright pink and those rainbows. So beautiful. Nice journaling spots. Some really nice decorative cards. I really like that one. Little flat lay. I really like that sun. Some really nice quotes. I'm actually planning on making a holiday vacation album with this collection. I have my album already. I know which vacation I want to scrap, so I am pretty much good to go. I've been anticipating this for quite a while. So as you can see, they just go on and on. Really nice, thick, good quality cardstock. They are square edges, which I really love for pocket pages. I do prefer square edges. Love that one. Oh, yes, okay. Love those. Very excited about those. Next we have the wood buttons. So these are new as well. I'm just going to take them out of the packaging because I'm getting quite a bit of glare. There you go, how beautiful are they? They're wood buttons with the little epoxy center. Lots of these really beautiful icons. Watermelon, little rainbow, some phrases. Chill out, fun in the sun. I love these little ones. How sweet are these? Very excited to use these. I really love natural elements like wood on my pages, so these are going to be fun. Here's a paper stack, I'll come back to that. These are the foam title stickers. They're a really nice, bright, pale gold. Yeah, it's just the perfect color for this collection, I think. So there are two sides. You get lots of scripty titles and some sort of more blocky titles. Lots of these little hearts, some bigger titles and then some smaller ones. I just really like these. I love foam alphas, and these just make it really easy to put a page together. You don't have to think about the title too much. Next we have some clear stickers. This is very exciting. We didn't get clear stickers in the last couple of collections actually, I think, so this is a fun surprise. These are really fun to use on white backgrounds especially, but even on just a less busy pattern paper background. Lots of these really pretty brush strokes, rainbows and florals, just really pretty. Love these happy colors. Nice title here. This little cocktail will come in handy for my holiday photos. Lots of little bits and pieces to tuck around the place. I really like these. Okay, we have two embellishment packs. One is just ephemera and one is floral ephemera. So of course I think you need both. There are lots of really lovely icons in the die cut ephemera, and then of course you have your whole pack of florals, which is just incredible. So I don't know whether you guys would want to see these all tipped out, but there's the back of the packet. The florals, and then there's the back of the packet for the die cuts. So we have lots of, love this little bike, palm trees, ice cream. It's just super summery. Love the cocktails and the beach umbrella, and the little swimsuit's really sweet. Sun and clouds and rainbows, of course. And then you have just a few texty pieces, which I really appreciate not having too many of those. You get 55 pieces in the floral and 50 pieces in the die cuts, which is very nice. Next we have the puffy stickers, which is probably the thing I'm most excited about. I adore puffy stickers. They're probably my favorite embellishment. I just love them, and these are super sweet. So a nice size, not too big, not super teeny tiny, but you do have quite a few of these smaller ones in there. So lots of these little puffy hearts, little bike, quite a few of these rainbows in various sizes, which I really like. Some of these smaller florals, and the little starfish is so cute. Oh my goodness. More little cocktails and fruit. Clouds, suns, little leaves, so many in there. They really managed to squeeze a lot in there. So I'm really, really excited about these. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole collection. This is the accessory stickers, and this has kind of more of your like geometric, like square blocky pieces with more text. which is why I'm glad they don't put too many of those in the die cut pack, because you get plenty on the sticker sheet. So it's good to have a variety, I feel like. Love this towel. That is just so cute. It's killing me. You have some square pieces, some circular pieces, some tabs and little banners, an arrow, nice big tag down here, a nice place to put a date, some more sort of spaces that, labels and journaling, some more little flags, and then lots of tiny words, which I love. They're all very summery, holiday, vacation themed text down here. So that's really fun. I love these. These are one of my favorite things as well. You can see there are lots of vacation themed phrases. Very, very fun. Super excited about those. Okay, and then we have the papers. So we have the 12 by 12s, and then we have the A5 paper stack, which is the same designs as these, but some of them are different colors, which is really fun. Gives you more variety of patterns and colors to use in your pages. I really like that Zoe's mixed it up this time like that. So let's go through the 12 by 12s first, and then I'll show you what is different in the paper stack. So this is Growing Wild. Lots of beautiful florals. You could definitely go to town fussy cutting this. I probably will at some point once I've used up all my floral ephemera, but that's the beauty of the floral ephemera pack. You don't have to do any fussy cutting if you don't want to, but this page is perfect for also fussy cutting. And then the B side is this beautiful leopard print in beautiful pink color, tone on tone. Really love that. That is lovely. Next we have Sunny Days. I just love this one. It's all those teeny tiny rainbows. I have a hand painted pattern, which I really like, and the colors actually vary in some of them. So I really, really love this one. Sweet little rainbows. And then the B side is a beautiful teal with a tone on tone chevron zigzag pattern. Very kind of hand painted looking, which I really like. Next we have Good Vibrations, which is a beautiful rainbow stripe. Look at those colors. How lovely is that? I love that it kind of looks like a little bit ombre, like it's fading into each other. I really love that one. And then an absolutely gorgeous, I want to say like it's like a sunset gradient, but in ocean colors. So more like an ocean gradient going from the top of the ocean down to the depths. I have a few snorkeling photos to scrap, so that will be really fun for that. Such a great background paper. Next we have Just Chillin', which is an awesome clouds on a blue background. A little bit distressed, which I really like. And the B-side is Stunning Wood Grain. They really knock their wood grains out of the park. How beautiful is that? Perfect tone for this collection. Summer Lights, a beautiful star background, and again we've got that kind of ombre fading from the warmer colors into the cooler colors down here. Beautiful rainbow color pattern. Just love that one as well. And what do we have on the back? And then we have the very similar ombre color gradient, but you'll have all your sunset colors. So I just love that. It's just scrumptious, those colors. Delicious. Next we have Fun in the Sun cut apart sheet. These cards are all a little bit different to the pocket cards, so none of them are the same as the pocket cards, which is fun. I always love these labels. These banners are a fun new addition, and then you have some more kind of cut apart banners and a strip of rainbows and that rainbow stripe as well down the bottom. So beautiful. I love me a good cut apart. And the reverse is this really pretty yellow color. I just love this color yellow. It's so happy, with teeny tiny daisies. And the center of the daisies are all different colors as well. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see that on camera, but you've got pink and red and orange and blue and teal, all different colors. Really cool. Then we have Feelin' Fine, which is a very painterly, kind of dry brushed looking mixed media effect pattern, with all those beautiful colors, predominantly pink, but then you have the orange and the yellow and the blue and the green coming through as well. Really, really pretty, really interesting background. And the reverse is this beautiful one. Just a really lovely pink with love hearts scattered all over the place. Really beautiful. I love that color pink. Super pleased with that one. And the last one, Bright Side. So it's this gorgeous painted rainbow. I say painted, it looks like it's been painted with a brush. It's a little bit messy, a little bit hand-drawn looking. I really love that effect. And you have all those colors. So lovely. I can't wait to see all the creative layouts that are made with this paper. And then the background is a lovely navy blue, really beautiful. And then it just has a darker tone on tone. It's like a doodly stripe actually, which is, again, I really love that hand-drawn, handmade effect there. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick overview of the A5 paper stack. A lot of the papers are similar to the 12 by 12s, but some of the colors are changed up, and obviously a scaled down print. So this is the first one, the floral. Then you have the leopard print, which is in a beautiful blue instead of the pink that is in the 12 by 12. Rainbows. Then you have the chevron pattern that is teal in the 12 by 12 is yellow in the A5. That beautiful sea colored ombre, rainbow stripe, clouds, beautiful wood grain, beautiful ombre stars, and that sunset ombre. And the cut apart, which is very similar to this one, but obviously scaled down to be slightly smaller. And I actually find these really lovely to use, especially the labels in that slightly smaller size, especially if you scrap an 8.5 by 11, for example. Then we have the daisy print that is yellow in the 12 by 12. It is this beautiful blue in the A5. Painterly mixed media pattern. Then we have some spots. So I think instead of the hearts, which doesn't appear in this, we have this multicolored spot, which is super fun. And then the stripe, which is in the royal blue in the 12 by 12, is in pink in the A5. And then they all repeat again. So lots of options to choose from. There are 30 in there and 15 designs, 2 of each. And that is everything. Thank you so much for joining me. I will leave a link in the description box below to the Cocoa Vanilla Studio website where you can go and have a look. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.